Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom brush / a stamp in Procreate. So the first thing I went ahead and did was create a square canvas. So you can do that just by pressing the plus and selecting square. It doesn't have to be the exact dimensions as this one, just making sure that it is a perfect square. So from there, we're going to select black. Make sure our color is on pure black, and then we're going to select whatever brush we want to use. So let's say I want to create my signature that way once I create a painting or a finished art piece, I want to be able, instead of having to draw it all the time, I can just stamp it right there. So I'm going to select whatever brush I want. I'm going to do something with a little bit of texture, so I'm going to select my Blackburn brush. You all know how I love Blackburn. And I'm going to make it a little big, zoom out, and I'm just going to, I'll do that again, have my signature. So I'm going to make sure it's centered. So I might even make it a little bit bigger, and center it. Perfect. So from there, we're going to select the tool and share, and we're going to share it as a JPEG, and we're going to save it to your device. So from there, I'm going to turn this off, and now we're going to create our custom brush. So click your little brush, the top right corner. Next, under brush library, there's a little plus sign up there. You can create your own library of your own custom brushes. So I already have one titled My Brushes. So from there, we're going to press the plus sign on the right, and we're going to go down to shape. Right now it's just a circle. We're going to tap edit and import, and then import a photo. So we're going to take the one that we just drew, and we're going to tap with 2 fingers, and that will invert the colors. So now it's white on black. So we're gonna press done, make sure you press done. And you can see they're all super close to each other. So we don't want that. So I'm going to go to stroke path and spacing. We're going to bring spacing up until it's something like that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to properties and max size. We're going to bring that up a little bit more. So it's like that. And now we have our stamp. You can also create different kinds of stamps. It doesn't have to be something that simple. For instance, I created a leaf brush. So I have that. I also have one I did of dots, but I didn't change the spacing on this. That way it could also act as a kind of like a hair, or I don't know, I just kind of liked how that looked. You can also do this. I did a sketch of a face to kind of get the basic dimensions of like a generic looking face. I can just stamp it on there, and then I can go right in and start sketching on top of that. I kind of bypass. That saves me a little bit of time. You can just, sketch on top of that. Oh, and then I also made another stamp for Addie Art. And there you guys have it. I hope that was super helpful. I am planning on, this is the first of many shorter tutorials. I'm calling them bite-size tutorials because most of them I'm gonna, plan on them being shorter, maybe like 5 to 10 minute tutorials that are really quick, get straight to the point. I hope you guys enjoyed the first of this tutorial series that I'm starting. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope to see you all again soon. Thank you. Bye.